Alright. For 3 minutes and 40 seconds until sudden death. Here we go. We have 9 iron golems. Oh, we can get another ender pearl. I don't need diamond swords. You know, I don't really buy diamond swords. I like ender pearls are better. So yeah, I got 9 iron golems. Alright. So this is a pretty intense game of Bedwars. Oh, is he gonna get him? Only try fireball them when they're on the bridge. Not okay. It's gonna be a close one. An intense game of Bedwars, guys. Oh man, so many intense games. I'm in a party with this guy. Oh, going around. This guy's yeah, I'll get another iron golem. I'll make it 10. And look at this. We got like almost all the. We don't have prop 3 yet. We got all these upgrades, you know. And I can get another ender pearl. We're so rich. Oh god. But I'm not sure if I can pearl clutch after when I get the dragon. Like, when the dragons knock me into the void, the ender dragons. Oh, green team's eliminated. So yellow went in on green. I'm not sure if they went in, but they got him. They killed him. They knocked him in the void. Get you and get more arrows. All right, yes, another emerald. Nice, nice. I'll get this. Hana, I really want to show you something, you know. You know that I've been bridging backwards a lot, and I'm bridging sideways is better. Okay, hold on. Oh god. Okay, I'm gonna show you how you bridge side. Oh my god, wait, hold on a second. Hold on a second. Oh my god, he got away. You're kidding me. Oh, don't. Oh, okay, there. Alright, we got him. These are all the stuff from his e-chest. Okay, so I'll show you how to bridge sideways. Okay, so you need to hold S and A. So you need to be like on the edge of the block. It doesn't work if you just hold A, then it wouldn't do it. But then the thing I don't get is how you bridge upwards or how you speed bridge like that, because you're just gonna like fall off because so you I don't kind of get it. Now okay, well now I gotta get more iron golems because I just used up 4 of them. Okay then, where's my other teammate? Oh my god, dragons are coming. Uh-oh. The bed defense is in the way. I'm gonna die. Oh, I can't build it here. I know. Okay, I'm so dead. I'm so dead. I'm actually gonna die. Believe it or not, I'm gonna die. 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 Do. Oh my god. Okay. Oh god, there's a dragon right there. Oh my god, everything is filled up with dragons. I'm actually like so dead. I'm dead, you know. Oh my god, there's another dragon. Okay, that's good. He destroyed the ceiling. My teammate's over there. I don't want him to get me from behind. Oh my god, I'm lagging. Okay, no dragons behind me. Okay, alright. Okay, there's only one of the yellow players. Oh! Dragons! Ender dragons! Help! Someone! Oh my god, where's my bow? I accidentally dropped it. Oh my goodness. This place is like filled up with dragons. Oh. Why is this destroyed? It's like a ghost destroying. Sorry that the dragon. Oh god. I forgot to tell my. Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna. No! No! I'm gonna die. 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 I'm so dead. I'm so dead. Ender dragons. Stop. Come on. I don't want to be spectator. No. Ender dragons. Oh my god, my teammate just died. I'm gonna die. Just, please, Ender, thank you. Alright, it's a 1v1. I'm not sure if I should go in. I'm glad I started recording this. Oh god, there's a dragon. Okay, it didn't destroy the end stone. That's good. I don't know. I think the yellow guy's at his base. Must be. Yeah, he must. Okay, there's another dragon. Yeah, we can shoot it. I got a punch ball. Oh, whoa, yeah, the yellow guy's definitely at his base. The fireball came from yellow. And all of a sudden that it went into like a 1v1, it was, or when you're the only person left on your team. So, it says tracking yellow. Yellow's not on my team. But if you go this way, I see I'm going closer to yellow. That scared me. And dragon. No. I'm going in. I'm going in. I'm gonna go in. I'm doing it. I'm doing it, guys. I don't want. Imagine I end up rolled into like the Ender Dragon. That would have been the most disaster ever. Okay. Oh god. I'm only on half health. Go. Come on. Yeah, I'm not sure where I got him. Yes! We won! Nice job. Good job, Enforce Boss. Well, yes. Whew. Nice work. I knew you would suck. Okay. I know. Okay, I knew you would suck moths. Okay. Oh, I forgot to say GG. I'm sorry. Usually when I'm recording, I forgot to say GG. I have a sick win streak of 3 right now. Look at me. But yeah, so yeah, my teammate was spectating, right? Yes, this guy. Oh, my 2 random teammates weren't spectating though. Oh, that's pretty sad. But oh wait, did I? Oh my god, I forgot to start on my quest. So yeah, unfortunately, this is gonna be the end of this video because, well, not really. Time is running out. I can still record more, but it's probably gonna go longer than 15 minutes. I'm using this screen recorder for now. I'll hopefully get a new screen recorder soon. I mean, like a better one. Maybe you have to, yeah, a better one. That I can maybe record good videos. I don't know. Maybe I can fix like OBS screen recorder. I don't know. It does it maybe it lets you like zoom into my face. I don't know how you zoom in to my face right now. You know, but because for now I downloaded OBS and then it was like it was kind of laggy. When I played the video, it was like the FPS was just so low. It was like almost like 1 FPS. So yeah, maybe so if you have any solutions to this, maybe you can comment down below because I really need a good screen recorder if I'm gonna record good videos because yeah, I can't record the full game right now. Maybe and then when I try upload it to YouTube, it took like more than a whole night to do it, and then the computer like restarted, and I was like, forget it, I'm not uploading this to YouTube. So yeah. Alright then. So unfortunately, this is gonna be the end of this video because time has run out. So bye. Remember to subscribe. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.